A very, very good morning to you and a very warm welcome to Baiju's Exam Prep IS. Good morning, Divya. Hello, Deepika. Very good morning. Good morning, Yasmin. Good morning, Manpreet. Good morning, Purva. Good morning, Saranya. Good morning, Vetri. Good morning, Atharva. Good morning, Mayank. Good morning, Ritika. Good morning, Bhavan. Good morning, Dhani. Good morning, Hilo. Good morning, Kritika. Good morning, Adipu. Come on, guys. Please be fast. Good morning, Ankur. Good morning, Vanchika. Yesterday movies was too good and inspirational, sir. Thanks for suggesting. Yes, it is. Watch some bits of it again and again every week. I would say that in fact. Good morning, Harshita. Good morning, Payal. Very good morning, Nagaraja. Come on, hurry up. Let's fight for your future. Good morning, Mohan Raj. Good morning, Munna. Good morning, Muhammad. Good morning, Devyani. Come on, guys. Good morning, Mohan. Good morning, Nilu. Good morning, Saurabh. Good morning, Yuvashri. Yes, good morning, Kavi. Good morning, Amala. Good morning, Dikshit. Too much rain in Mangalore. Enjoy. Lovely weather, is it? Chalo ji, let us start then. Good morning, Akash. Are you people geared up? All ready? Ready to go? Good morning, Nancy. Good morning, Anchal. Good morning, Raj. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Deepika, sir, 12th fail movie was actually an eye opener and I could learn a lot from it. Great. Very good. Good morning, Harshita. Good morning, Roshan. Good morning, Shivaji. Good morning, Shreyash. Movie was awesome. Yes. Paya, I'm not too sure, but you can just mail to Byju's IS and I'll try to just put in a word from my side as well. But it would be there on the website, I believe, on your page. Very good morning, Captain Stephen. Good morning, Arti. Hello, good morning, and a very happy new year. So, you were not there in yesterday's class, so you're wishing today. Good morning, Summer. Dikshit, 12th fail, what a movie. Thank you for your suggestion, sir. Are always welcome. Good morning, Shubhangi. Good morning, Saurabh. All right, guys, let's start. All right, so this is our curriculum for reasoning ability, in which we are through with number series, missing numbers, letter series, coding, decoding, continuous series, directions, Venn diagrams, blood relations, and clocks. All right, so 9 topics we are done with out of 15. So let us see 2, 3 topics we will do today. Good morning, Takdis. Good morning, Shreyank. Good morning, Dhara. Sir, you remind the team about PPT and weekly test. I have done that. Raz, I have already done that, but they have told me that PDF has been uploaded. It has been uploaded. Good morning, Megha. All right, sir. So let us start with ranking and ordering. Okay. So see, there are so many topics. Good morning, Prashant. Good morning, Jia. Good morning, Megha. There are a lot of topics from which you can expect 1 or 2 questions, but this became a myth in 2023 paper when most of the questions were concentrated from number system. Okay. Good morning, Sonam. Good morning, Madhumita. Aajo, jaldi karo, shabash. Please hurry up. So you cannot leave out any topic as I had told you. Okay. Let's have a look at the concepts here. So see, these are 10 persons standing in a row. Okay. This is the left end, and this is the right end. Okay. So if I count from left to right, film was inspiring, sir, Prashant. Okay, lovely. Good, you liked it. Good morning, Sudarvisi. Good morning, Anshu. So if we start counting from left, let us say, then L stands for left and R stands for right. All right, we will maintain that. So this person's rank is going to be 1L, that is first from left. This is second from left, third from left, fourth from left, fifth from left, sixth from left, seventh from left, eighth from left, ninth from left, 10th from left. And if we start counting from the right hand side, right to left, then this person's rank is going to be first from right, second from right, third from right, fourth from right, fifth from right, sixth from right, seventh from right, eighth from right, ninth from right, and 10th from the right end. Done? Sir, hello sir, I'm unable to join live classes due to revision and I don't have maths background. Reasoning is manageable for me. Okay, I have seen all your recordings. What to do, sir, about maths bit weak. So spend some more time, beta. Spend some more time. When you have identified that your maths is weak, then obviously you need to spend a little bit more time. So spend some 2-3 hours every day on mathematics. First of all, uh, you know, uh, you need to mend your ways in a way that you have to make corrections wherever you feel that your concepts are a little wayward. Okay, so spend some more time. NCRTs, yes, you can start with NCRTs. That's a good idea, sir. You can do that. All right. Okay, Ji. Now, a careful look will show you that for any person standing in this row, for any person who's standing in this row, the sum of the rank of that person from left and from right is always 11. Okay, let me choose two persons here. Let us say this is person A and this is person B. Let us say that. Now, if you observe, person's A's rank from the left is 3 and from the right it is 8. So 3 from left plus 8 from right, in total it is 11. And here if we observe the positions of person B, from left it is 7 and from right it is 4. So 7 from left plus 4 from right again amounts to 11. All right. So if you take any person in this row, the sum of his positions from left and right will be 11, which is one more than the total number of persons standing in this row. What is the total number of persons standing in this row? It is 10. And 11, as you know, is one more than the total. So from this, we come up with a very, very bright, useful, purposeful, and a formula of high utility, and that is any person's position from left and position from right, if you take sum of these two, it shall be equal to total number of persons standing in this row plus 1. Isn't it so? See, this is what I did. 3 from left plus 8 from right is 11, which is 1 more than 10. So remember this formula. Or let us say if you take the sum of positions of a person from two ends. Now these two ends could be left end, right end, could be front, could be back, could be top, could be bottom. Okay. So this formula will be useful everywhere. So three variables: position from left, position from right, that is position from one end and position from the second end, and the total number of persons who are standing in this row. Two out of these variables will be given to you. You have to substitute in the formula to find out the value of the third variable. Okay, now that is one. Now the other one here is how many persons are standing between A and B. How many persons are standing between A and B? Well, you can see here in the diagram, you can always find out that there are three persons who are standing between A and B. That's absolutely fine. But what if you don't have this diagram? And if you don't know how many persons are there in this row? Okay. So please know, number of persons standing between A and B will be equal to the ranks of A and B will be given from the same end. So higher rank minus lower rank minus 1. All right. Where the two ranks are given from the same end. Please know this. All right. Two would be known to us from the same end. Right. Please know this. Thank you, sir. And wish you all the best. Make sure that you conquer the world. All right. Now see here. This is 3 from left and this is 7 from left. Out of 3 and 7, if A's position is given from the left, it is 3, and B's position from the left is 7. So out of 3 and 7, which is higher rank? 7 is higher. Okay, 7 is higher. Okay, 7 from left minus 3 from left. That makes it 4. Minus 1 is 3. So I hope this is clear. Okay. Now similarly, if you just look at the ranks from the right hand side, if the ranks were given for both the persons from the same end, that is right hand side, so 8 from right minus 4 from right minus 1 shall give us again 3. Okay, any of these. Now I want you people to tell me that, let us say, in a row of persons. Now here, how many persons are standing in the row? That is unknown. A's rank from the left, let us say, is 25, and B's rank from the left only is 50. So how many persons are standing between A and B? Tell me. Fast. Oh yes, you got it. Lovely. So higher rank minus lower rank. Okay, because both these ranks are given from the same end. Now this is something that you need to register properly into your mind. Okay, ranks are given from the same end. All right, from the left end. Okay, so 50 minus 25 minus 1, that is equal to, there are 24 persons. Good, clear. So these two are the major concepts which are already there in front of you. In a row of persons, the rank of Mr. A from left end is L, from the right end is R, then the total number of persons in this row is given by total, okay, is equal to L plus R minus 1, which is same. Actually, if you take minus 1 here, it becomes L plus R is equal to P plus 1. This is what is given to you here in the bottom also. Okay. The concept of finding out the number of persons standing between two persons. In a row of persons, the rank of Mr. A from the left end is X and the rank of Mr. B also from the left end is Y. Then the total number of persons between A and B is higher rank minus lower rank between A and B minus 1. Where obviously X is greater than Y because we don't get a negative value. You can't say minus 4 number of people are standing between A and B. Minus 4 number. Now see, note, as I have been pointing out everywhere, the ranks of both A and B must be known from the same end. Same. Okay. If it is a situation where A's rank is known from left and B's rank is known from right, that means the ranks are known from not from the same end. Okay. So then you can't apply this formula. When can you apply this concept? Only when A and B's ranks are known from the same end. Maybe both the ranks of A and B are known from left end or from right end. All right. Let's have a look at some questions here. Pretty simple ones. Come on, let's solve this. In a row of people, Ramesh is ranked 12th from the top and 15th from the bottom. How many persons are there in this row? Very fast. I'm giving you a poll. Mark your answer in the poll. You can't make a mistake here. All right? You can't make a mistake here. Please mark your answer. Nahi, Smita. Why are you adding 1? Roshan, what is 2? Yes, Alma. Yes, Aarti. Yes, Vechri. Yes, Matamita. Correct. Anyhow, so what you have is L plus R is equal to T plus 1. All right. Now don't say, sir, this is not left and right. This is top and bottom. It doesn't matter, Ray. 2 ends only I'm representing with L and R. Okay. So from one end 12, from the other end, from the other end 15. This is equal to total plus 1. So total here is 27 minus 1, which shall be equal to 26. Choice B is the correct answer. Now, in a row of 40 persons, this time total is given to you. Manoj is ranked 14th from the left end. Then what will be his rank from the right end? I told you, 3 variables only. So just find out. 2 are given to you. So find out the third one. So L plus R is equal to T plus 1. L plus R is equal to T plus 1. All right. Yes, Narendra. No, Saurav. Narendra, if you have answered for this question, then only. Yes, Vechri. Yes, Alma, Mayank, Muhammad, Harshita, Dhara, Madhumita, all correct. Good. Lovely. So once again, what do we have is L plus R equals T plus 1. Now his rank is given 14th from the left end. So this becomes 14. Total of number of persons is given to us as 40. And you need to find out his rank from the right end. All right. And this is 40 plus 1, T plus 1. So 41 minus 14 is equal to R is equal to 27. Why plus 1? Because the person is counted 2 times, one from the left end and the other from the right end. So the person has been counted 2 times. So that is why you need to have this one along. Now, in a class of 50 students, so total is given to you. A is 10 ranks ahead of B. Now, if the position of B is 27th from the bottom, then what will be A's rank from the top? I'll do this along with you. Let us say this is position from top, this is position from bottom. Okay. Now, what is given here is, firstly, that these are how many? These are 50 students in total. Position of B is 27th from the bottom. So let us say B is somewhere here. Okay, and the position is 27th from the bottom. Now A happens to be 10 ranks ahead of B. Okay, ahead of B means obviously A has a better rank than B. So this is where A is. Okay, so A here is 10 ranks ahead of B, correct? So A's rank from the bottom must be 37. A's rank from the bottom must be 37. Is it or not? Okay. Now A's rank you know from the bottom as it is. Okay, and the total number of students are also given to you as 50. So rank from top plus rank from bottom is equal to total plus 1. Instead of left and right, I'm taking top and bottom. So from bottom, A's rank is 37. Total number of students are 50 plus 1. So from top, what would be A's rank? And that is nothing but 51 minus 37. And that is 14. Correct? That is given to us in choice D. Yes, yes, you got this. What happened, Ilma? It is 27 means? From the bottom, it is 37, no? And B is 27 from the bottom. So what's wrong? How, Ilma? B's rank is 27 from the bottom and A is ahead of him. So A here has a better rank. From the top only we have a better rank, isn't it so? So B's rank is given to you here. The position of B is 27 from bottom. No, hello, we are not supposed to take the same end. We are not finding out how many persons are there between A and B. Yeah, in that case, you will take the position of B is anyhow given to you as 27 from the bottom, right? So then you will take 27. Why would you take it like this? Okay. Now, this one I want you people to find out. Do it on your own. Tell me. So simply higher rank minus lower rank minus 1. That is 14. Yes, you got this. Now see, what you have to notice here is the ranks of both the persons are given from the same end, left end. That is important. All right, this time just mark your answer here in the poll. Let us see how it works out. Lovely, you got it. Shabash. Job done. Fantastic. %79%. So an improvement here. So 22 is the higher rank minus 15 minus 1. So that is 7 minus 1, which is 6. So choice A should be the correct answer. Now look at this question. Be careful. In a row of some people, A is ranked 10th from the left end. Now let me just draw a diagram for this. Represent it here. Okay. Now this is the left end and this is the right end. So it's already given to you that A, position of A from the left end is 10th and B is ranked 15th from the right end. So let us say this is where we have B, who is ranked 15th from the right. Right? Now, if A and B interchange their positions, all right, sir. So A goes to B's place and B goes to A's place. So in that case, this time this is where we will have B. Okay, this is where we will have A. All right, we have interchanged the seats. Then A's rank from the left end becomes 35. Now, new rank of A here from the left end is 35. Okay, that is for this seat. Now, in total, how many persons are there in this row? It's asking you total. So you employ the formula. Okay. Now, how do you employ the formula is, I want you people to know, just look here at this position. Okay. What do you find? What do you find? You find that this seat is 15 from right as per the information for B and is 35 from left as per the information for A. Correct? So, irrespective of the fact whether A sits here, B sits here, or XYZ sits here, the position of this seat is given to us as 15th from the right and 35th from the left. And that we know through the means of information which has been provided for A and B. So, obviously, when you employ the formula, that is L plus R equals T plus 1. So, position from left is 35 and position from right is 15. Total plus 1, that is 50 minus 1. Oh, you already got it. Lovely. Lovely. So there are 50 minus 1, 49 people in the row. So in this row, there are 49 persons. Please know this. Okay. Sorry. Now, what is B's rank? What is B's rank from the right end? So a careful look suggests, where is B, by the way? Currently, this is where B is. Okay. And what is B's rank? See, these are the previous positions of A and B. This is the latest position of B. It is 10th from left. Okay. So once again, when we use L plus R is equal to T plus 1, B's position from the left is 10. From right, we need to find out, and total we found out to be 49. So 49 plus 1 is 50. Position from right is 50 minus 10. That is 40th. You got this. Got this. Got this. Now, how many persons are there between A and B? Now, for that, you see, you take the positions of A and B from a single end. All right. So, what is the position of A from left end? It is 35. And B's position from left end is 10. All right. So, minus 1 is what you take here. Okay. So, this is 35 minus 10, 25 minus 1. That should give us a 24. Yes, you got this correct. So sometimes we subtract 1 from total and sometimes we add 1 to total. Why, sir? No, Gayatri. Gayatri, whenever we are changing sides, obviously the sign or the symbol that we are using along with 1 will change. So here we have 1. So here you see a plus sign. See here. Okay. So here what happened? Here when I'm taking T here and this is 50, I'm bringing 1 to the other side. And when I'm changing sides for 1, obviously when it is positive, it will become negative when it goes to the other side. Okay, that's what we do in mathematics. Mohanraj, what is how W? Anchal, you want to go to question 1 again? How did we get 40? So using this formula, left plus right is equal to t plus 1. B's rank from the right end. B's rank we already know here. B's rank is known, no, from the left. See, this is the B's rank from left end. It is 10th from left. All right. And we also know that the total number of students are 49. So only thing unknown is position from right. So position from left is 10. Position from right, we have to find out. And total number of students is 49. That's it. We just now found out in the previous question. In the B is ranked 15 from right and 7th question we found it. Isn't it contradicting? I'm not getting you. In the B is ranked 15 from right end. No, beta, that was initially. This is the initial position. And these positions are after the interchange. Huh? Read this, no? A and B interchange their positions. Now these are the latest positions. So why are we taking the previous position? Not required. They have interchanged. So now this is the latest position of B, 10th from left. And A is 35th from left. Okay. In the first question, rank of A is 35. This you're talking about these three questions. Anyhow, I'll go to the first question. We don't have A here. So which thing are you talking about? You're talking about this as a first question. So please say that sixth question. All right. Which question, Anchal, please tell me which question, 6, 7, or 8? Question 1. Question 1 is about Ramesh. There is no A and B. What you have not understood? Anshu, please specify. I shall get back to you. Anchal. 8 can you solve again? Palak, how many persons are there between A and B? See, what is A's position from the left? 35 from left. It is already given, no? A's rank from the left end is 35. This is the latest. And also after interchange, what is the position of B? Between these two seats, you forget about A and B. This seat is 35 from left and this seat is 10 from left. So higher rank minus lower rank minus 1. That's what I did. 35 minus 10 minus 1. Rank questions are not clear. Which part is not clear, Komal? That is what I want to know so that I can explain. The first we begin with. Yes, sir, that question. Palak, have you understood? Please ignore. Yes, Palak has said, okay. So in seventh question, why haven't we taken 35L to calculate B position? Seventh question, what is B's rank from the right end? All right. So where is B? B is currently sitting here. See, this is B. Okay, currently sitting here. So B's position from the left is given to us, beta. It is 10th from left. This seat. This seat is 10th from left. Now, whether A sits or B sits, the position of this seat is 10th from left. And currently, who's sitting here? B is sitting here. Okay. So what is B's rank from the right end? From the left, it is 10. And total number of students you found is 49 in the previous question, question number 6. So just by employing the formula L plus R is equal to T plus 1, you substitute. Position from left is 10. Total number of students are 49. All right. So 49 plus 1 is 50. 10 goes to the right hand side. Okay. So position from right will work out to be 40. Hero says, okay, sir. All right. Kirubagar, sir, both 35 and 15 are A's position. It is confusing, sir. Why? This is A's position from the left end, and this is A's position from the right end. If a person is standing in a row, he will have his positions from left and right. No, there are two ends. Okay, that is what we see. So, what is confusing in that? Any row, if a person is standing here, let us say a person X, his position from left, let us say, is 50. Okay, and his position from right, let us say, is 100. So this person will have two positions, no, from either ends, one from left and one from right. So what is the problem there? Yes, Anshu. Yeah, Anshu. Only the positions of A and B have been interchanged. All right, the ranks of, I mean, as such, the positions or ranks of the seats will not change. No. Imagine that they're sitting in a cinema hall, all right, or an auditorium, which has rows of seats. So, do you think that the position of the seat will ever change? From left and right, it will be same. All right. Position of this seat will change. No. Okay. It is the persons who are interchanging the seats. No. The seats are not being taken off and then replaced with each other. It is not like that. No. So, with reference to A, first it was told that this seat's position is 10 from left, and B's position here in this seat, B is sitting. All right. So with the reference with B, it was told that the seat's position from the right is 15. After the interchange, they gave you another information through A that when A comes here, his position becomes 35, which means this seat's position is 35 from left. So now you know this seat's position is 35 from left and 15 from right. So L plus R is known, is equal to T plus 1. You can find out the total number of seats in this row. Yes, B, we are taking as 10 only, no, Chitturi. So how many persons are there in this row? We are finding out through the positions of A. This seat's position is known to us. See, we don't know this seat's position from right end. We just know that this seat's position from the left end is 10. But if you look at this seat, the position of this seat from the right it is 15 and from the left it is 35. So for a particular seat, if at all you have the positions from left and right, you can always find out the total. See, you have only one formula with you, which is important here. L plus R is equal to T plus 1. For any seat, if position is known from left and position is known from right, this is the only variable left over, no? T. So here this seat is 15 from right and 35 from left. So accordingly, we can find out the total number of persons. Anshul, stop saying question 1. All right. Clearly, it is mentioned, it is question number 6. Okay. So that is what I assume that you're talking about question number 6. So in question 6, we just added two positions and didn't subtract one. And here in this question 6, we added two positions and then subtracted one. What are you talking? This is the formula. Do you agree? Anshul, just look here. This is the formula, correct? Are mathematics, simple mathematics. So 35 left and 15 right is equal to T plus 1. So 1 goes from left to right, so it will change its symbol. No, here it is positive on the right side, so it goes to the left, it becomes negative. Simple maths. So T here is this 50 minus this one, no? So you got 49. And still you want to go to the first question? Here we go. Similarly, L plus R is equal to T plus 1. Ramesh is ranked 12th from the top, 15th from the right. I did the same thing, no? T I needed to find out. So 12 plus 15 is 27. This 1 goes here. So this positive becomes negative. See the same thing here. L plus R is equal to T plus 1. 12 plus 15 is equal to T plus 1. Okay. So it was what? 12 plus 15 is equal to T plus 1. Same thing. Here we have what? Here we have what? 35 plus 15 is equal to T plus 1. And here we have 12 plus 15 is equal to T plus 1. So this 1 will go here, no? So it becomes 27 minus 1 is equal to T, which is equal to 26. Very basic. No, formula I have very clearly explained. Okay, there is no need. How many times? What is there to explain? You just need to remember position from left plus position from right is equal to total plus 1. So please write it down. Write it down in your notebook. Right now. Write it down in your notebook. L plus R is equal to T plus 1. Over. Yeah, Deep, you can just put in a mail for that because I am not the concerned person. Right? No, B's position I have not taken from initial. No. Dhyana. B's initial position was here. And it was given 15 from right. And if B comes to A's position, then B's position is not given from right side. It is given from left side. Because you are talking about A and B. I am talking about these two seats. This seat and this seat. Seat, whosoever sits. Now this seat is 10th from left. And this seat is 15 from right. All right. And through A and B, it is the information which is being provided to you that this seat is also 35 from left. So one particular point here, is 15 from right and 35 from left. So with the help of this, you can find out the number of seats. Forget about persons. Forget about A and B also. Hello, what will be the rank of A from the right side is already given. No, this is where now A is. So A's rank from the right hand side is 35. Oh, sorry, it is 15. It is already given, no? A's rank from the left is 35. A's rank from the right is 15. A is sitting here. Now A is sitting here and B is sitting here. Okay, so A's rank is already given from the right. It is 15. Between from different end formula. Between from different end means what, Chandan? A's rank from the left was 10. Anshu. Now, A and B have interchanged their positions. What is wrong? All right, let me solve this again. Now, see here. Initially, this is where A is. Position is 10 from left. And this is where B is. All right, position is 15 from right. Now, this is initially. All right, now after interchange, what happens? B comes here and A comes here. But the position of this seat is still 10th from left and position of this seat is still 15 from right. And it is also given that A's position now after interchange is 35 from left. All right, so can you see that A's position, this seat's position is given when B is sitting here, the information is given to you via B that it is 15 from right. And when A gets here in place of B, it is given to you that it is 35 from left. So now you know the position of the seat. 15 from right, 35 from left. Job done. So you can use the formula. L plus R is equal to T plus 1. Position from left is known. Position from right is known. So it is 35 plus 15 is equal to T plus 1. 1 goes here. So it is 50 minus 1 is equal to T, which is equal to 49. Good morning, Kritika. Kirutika. Yeah, Chituri, what is there in 7th question? Tell me. What is B's rank from the right end? Where is B? Chituri, where is B? This is where B is. What is B's rank from the left? The rank of the seat from the left is 10th. So rank of the seat from the left is 10th. What is it that you need to find out? The rank from right. What is the total number of students that we found out here? 49. That's it. Okay. So 10 plus R is equal to 49 plus 1. 49 plus 1 is 50. So R is equal to 50 minus 10, which is equal to 40. Yes, Madhur, good morning. I also said good morning. Oh, sir, good morning, sir. Sorry, sir. I was busy teaching, which is my work actually. I could not see the chat wherein you had said good morning, sir. All right, so let's move. You revise, you will get it. You watch the video again. Okay. Now look, consider two statements and a question. So data sufficiency based question here. Now, here there is a question. What is Seema's rank from top in the class of 40 students? So the total number of students is already given to you in the question itself. Okay, and what do you need to find out? Seema's rank from the top. This is what you have to determine. Now, statement 1 says Priya is 4 ranks below Seema. Okay, let's draw a diagram for that. See here. So this shall be top and this shall be bottom. Correct. Priya is 4 ranks below Seema. We don't know rank of Seema, so we don't know where to place Priya. And is 31st from the bottom. This we know. So this is the bottom. And Priya's rank here is 31st from the bottom. Alright, this is Priya's rank. And total number of students here are already given to you as 40 in the question itself. Now look at the first part. Priya is 4 ranks below Seema. So if Priya is 4 ranks below Seema, then Seema must be 4 ranks above Priya. If Priya is 4 ranks below Seema, then Seema is 4 ranks above Priya. Correct? So 4 ranks above Priya. So this is where Seema is. Now what is Seema's rank from the bottom? इसको इधर ही लेकर जाता हूँ, लेफ्ट में ही लेकर जाता हूँ इसको. Okay, so what will be Seema's rank? Well, 31, and you will add 4 to this. It will be 35 from bottom. Vanshika, how 27? Seema's rank, it is given, no. Priya is 4 below Seema. So Priya is 4 below Seema. Then Seema is 4 above Priya. Correct? So let us say if you are 4 ranks behind someone, then that someone is 4 ranks ahead of you. Simple as that. Get it now? Okay. Arey Divya, how 37? 31 plus 4 is 35. It is not 37. What is happening? Tell me. Yes, Amala. In fact, that is also incorrect. It is not 7th from the top. Well, Seema here now is 35 from the bottom. So applying the formula left plus right is equal to total plus 1. You can find out you can find out the position of Seema, right? Now Seema is given what? Okay, let me change this because again you people will have confusion. Sir, left and right are not given, sir. Okay. So Seema's rank from the bottom is known. It is 35 from bottom. Alright. Total number of students are already given to you as 40. So plus 1. So Seema's rank from top, can you find or not? From top, it shall be 41 minus 35. So it is going to be 6 from the top. So that means statement 1 alone is sufficient. Statement 1 alone is sufficient to get you the answer. No, Soumya Shri. No, Soumya Shri. Priya is 4 ranks below Seema. Seema has to be up. Priya is below. So Priya is 4 ranks below. 31 is 4 ranks below 35. 31 is 4 ranks below 35. Yes or no? From the bottom we are taking. That means Seema is a brighter student. That is why she is more towards the top. She is nearer to top. Okay. No, Someshri, ranking never goes from 40 to 1. Alright. It is always 1 to 40 from top and 1 to 40 from bottom. If there are 40 students in the class, the last student, so as to say, is 40th from the top, but first from the bottom. Yes. Last will be first from the bottom. Okay. So if this is the line, this person is first from bottom and this person is first from the top and this person is first from the bottom, right? Let me just correct this one. मैं देता हूँ तुमको यार, लो बताओ. 1 2 3 4. There are 5 persons. All right. So this is top and this is bottom. Okay. Now tell me, what is this person's rank from the top? Tell me, all of you. This person's rank from the top. From the top. From the top, this person is first from top. What will be this person's rank from the bottom? Count from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the bottom. And in total, how many persons are these? 5. So 1 from top plus 5 from bottom. 1 plus 5 is 6, which is 1 more than total 5. Now you get it. Now you get it. Okay. So let us say this is person A and this is person B. Okay, they have one person between them. So A is here. A, if I see, A is more towards top. From the top, if we take the ranking, A is second and B is fourth. That means what? A is 2 positions above B and B is 2 positions below A. So when you say B is 2 positions below A, okay, that means B is more towards bottom and A is more towards top, below. So when you take below, you're talking about below or ahead, we're talking from the top only. All right. I have not gone to the second statement, wage 3. I have not been allowed till now to go to second statement. I'm still clearing the first statement only. I have not gone to the second statement only. So Satyajit, what are you typing? Sir, where I? All right. Now let us go to statement 1. Statement 1 alone is sufficient. So now go to statement 2. Okay. And verify whether it is sufficient or not. So once again, what do you have? You have 40 students here because that is declared in the question only. Now, Ina is 2 ranks above Seema. We don't know where is Seema. And is 37th from the bottom. So first you locate Ina. All right. Now, Ina's position from the bottom is 37. 37 from the bottom. And Ina is 2 ranks above Seema. If Ina is 2 ranks above Seema, then Seema is 2 ranks below Ina. So this is where I have Seema. So Seema's rank here must be 35. There is a difference of 2 ranks between them. Okay, so Seema will be 2 ranks below Ina. If Ina is 2 ranks above Seema, then Seema is 2 ranks below Ina. Is this clear? Where from 1 came? What do you mean, Satyajit? Where should I search for 1? Are you talking about this one? Yeah, so now Seema's position is known from the bottom. So you will have to find out her position from top. Can you find out? Obviously, total number is given, her position from bottom is given. It is same as this. So her position from top is going to be 6th. So S2 also alone is sufficient. So choice C says S1 alone or S2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. As it is, choice A cannot be the answer. S1 alone is not sufficient, it says, whereas S1 alone is sufficient. S2 alone is not sufficient. It is sufficient. Okay. So choice C here would be a good answer here. Because Atharva, please listen to me carefully. Please listen to me carefully. Please listen to me carefully. Atharva, now we are chatting. All right. So you reply to me. Tell me if Ina is 37 ranked. Ina is ranked 37th from the bottom. And Ina is 2 ranks above Seema. 2 ranks above Seema. So can't you see Ina here is above Seema? Ina is above Seema or below Seema? It is clearly written above. So where are you seeing Ina? Above or below Seema? Tell me, Atharva. I'm waiting for your response. All right, you get it now. So it is above. So if Ina is above Seema, Seema is below Ina. If I am to your right, then you are to my left. All right. If you are above me, then I am below you. Okay. If you are above me, then I am below you. That's how it is. So if Ina is above Seema, then Seema is below Ina. All right. So let's go ahead. Yes. 6th from the top, Divyani. 6th from the top. All right, sir. Let's have a look at this. Watch the video and then you will know. All right. Again, if you want to verify, that's all right. At times you get confused. That is okay. You can always verify from the video, but we can't spend 15-20 minutes over a question. Okay, once it has been explained, look at the video if at all we have not understood. Now, CSAT 2020 says A is 16th from the left end in a row of boys. and V is 18th from the right end. Now I want everyone to focus here because see, I am repeating a lot many times the same thing over and over again. Now this is the problem. Okay. So I also have my constraints. It will be difficult for me to re-explain one concept so many number of times. I can explain it once or twice, fine. But if at all you're not focused, then beta you miss on that explanation. Okay. Now the other people who have understood, they suffer. Now, first things first, this is left end, this is right end. Understood? A is 16th from left end. So A here, let us say, is here, and A's position is 16th from left end. And V is 18th from right end. So V here, let us say, is 18th from right end. Okay. Have you understood this much? Now let me just conduct and let me know how many no's I get, so I am able to ignore those people. Yes, sir. Please tell me how many of you have understood this much? If you have understood this much, please mark yes. If you have understood this much, please mark yes. Correct, Srihari. 96%. There are 6 people who have still not understood this. So, lovely. Now, G is 11th from A towards the right and 3rd from V towards the right end. First of all, G is 3rd from V towards the right end. Look at the statement. Ignore from A. From A you ignore for the time being. For the time being, G is 3rd from V towards the right end. So we go towards, see, this is left and this is right of V. So we go towards the right of V. Okay. G should be 3rd towards the right of V. Okay. Because it says towards the right end. 3rd from V towards the right end. So this is V. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. This is where we have G. All right. So G here is 3rd to the right of V. Now, have you understood this particular uh, positioning of G that I have done here with respect to V? Have you understood? Positioning of G with respect to V. Obviously, I have not completed the question. Only this part I am asking you. Have you understood? Positioning of G with respect to V. G is 3rd to the right of V. What is there that you have not understood, Dikshit? G is 3rd to the right of V. I have just placed G to the right of V. 94%. Lovely. Now look here. G is 11th from A towards the right. All right. G is 11th from A towards the right. Okay. So now G here is 11th from A towards the right of A. So G also here is G is 11th from A to the right of A. Okay. So this again, you have understood? You must have understood this. All right. So let me find out. Have you understood now what is the positioning of G with respect to A? It is 11th to the right of A. It is 11th to the right of A. G is 11th to the right of A. Correct, Deepika? 97%. That is given to us. Correct? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Now you see, you just have to find out how many persons are there between A and V. How many persons are there here between A and V. See, G here is third to the right of V, correct, and is 11th to the right of A. So the position of G with respect to A, position of G with respect to A is 11th. Position of G with respect to A, G is 11th to the right of A. Then this person here must be 10th to the right of A. This person here must be 9th to the right of A. And this V here must be 8th to the right of A. So I just went 3 positions behind G towards the left. Okay. So V is 8th to the right of A. So it means there are 7 people between A and V. V is 8th to the right of A. So that means there are 7 people between A and V because V is 8th. So between A and V, we have 7 people. Correct, Sanskar? No, Bhavna, check. Do you get this? Why Vechti? Correct, Amla? Yes, Shavik. Correct. Yes, Bhavna. Yes, Madhumita. No, Deep, no. Okay, that ways, Vechti. I got scared actually. Ganesh, last line here is that have you understood? All right, listen to me carefully, everyone. Have you understood that V is 8th to the right of A? See, G is 11 from A, G is third from V. All right, so 11 minus 3, V here is 8th to the right of A. Have you understood that? Please tell me. Have you understood? Please tell me. Why the pool got cancelled? Let me have a look again. No, Abhishek. %78%. So this is where you're facing a problem, is it? All right, sir. Let me draw it again. If this is A, huh? This is V, this is G. It is given to you that G is third from V. If G is third from V, that means how many persons are there between V and G? 2 people only, no? 2 people only, no? Okay. If G is third from V, then there are 2 people between V and G. And G is 11th from A, that means there must be 10 persons between A and G. Okay. Now, if this is 11 from A, this is 10th from A, this is 9th from A, this is 8th from A. Correct? Persons are there in front of you. Okay. Anyhow. So, simple little star. We can say that from here to here, we have 16 persons, right? From left hand to A, there are 16 persons. Okay. And from here to here, because V is 18, so there are 18 persons till V. And there are 7 persons in between. Okay. So 16 plus 7, 23 plus 18, there are 41 persons in the row. Why should I wonder who you are? Okay. All right. Okay, correct. One way. Now, other way around, you could have done here is A is what? A is 16th from left, and G is 11th to the right of A. So G's position here, let us say, is 16 plus 11, that is 27 from left. Now V's position is 18 from right. All right, and G is 3 to the right of V. Okay, so G's position from the right is going to be 15. 18 minus 3. Okay, so G's position is 27 from left plus 15 from right, that is equal to total plus 1. So that is 42 minus 1, which is equal to 41. You can do it like this as well. Do it like this then, Dikshit. Yes, Saloni, we got it. All right, so let's move ahead. So that was ranking for you. Okay, sir. Now we have calendars. A very, very important topic. Why T plus 1, Meghna? You've joined late, is it? L plus R is equal to T plus 1. Were you available at that time? Got it, sir. Tissue. All right, sir. Calendars. See, whatever that you will learn in calendars will be useful for you, obviously, throughout your life, because throughout your life, till you are in a job, you will always wonder how many weekends am I getting this month? And you will also you might have to find out the day of the week for any date. All right, so you will be in position to do so. Okay. Yeah. Sunday question comes from this topic. Huh? This year, many long weekends. Oh, thank you, Akula. Abhishek, civil servants have no weekends. Don't blame me when you are choosing it. All right, you want to become a civil servant. I'm not forcing you to become one. Yes, this was the last slide that someone wanted to see this, right? Where is it given that T's position from left end is 23? Huh, Someshti? Where is it given that V's position from left is 23? Where is it given? How did you find out? No, it did not. Hello. Yes, Deep. How 27? Deep. A is 16 from left. A here is 16 from left. And G is 11th from A. Huh? G is 11th from A. So G will also be 16 plus 11, 27 from left, no? A is 16 from left, it is given. And G is 11th from A to the right of A. So G from left hand will become 16 plus 11, 27. No, Kosto, stick to this question now. Don't pose another question. Don't change the question. Okay. No. Number of persons between A and B, if you need to find out Kaustubh, you need to know the position of A and B from the same end, same end, same end. not from left and not from right. All right, sir, enough time spent. All right. Calendars, let's have a look now at the very basics, So, hope that you people are aware of this, that there are 12 months in a calendar year. In an ordinary year, there are 365 days. And in a leap year, there are 366 days. So, ordinary year now onwards, I shall call this or term this as non-leap year. NLY stands for non-leap year. NLY means non-leap year. So there will be a leap year, there will be a non-leap year. So a non-leap year has 365 days and a leap year has 366 days. All right. So that means a leap year has 1 day more than a non-leap year. A leap year has 1 day more than the non-leap year. All right. In a leap year, there are 29 days in the month of February. This extra day actually is 29th February, which is also called a leap day. Correct? Yes, this year is a leap year. Very true. This year is definitely a leap year, sir. Yes, Mona Lisa, correct. Yes, 24 is a leap year. All right. Now, in an ordinary year, that is a non-leap year, there are 52 weeks and one odd day. All right. So how do you find it? See, stay with me. If at all you are reading the other information and I'm explaining something, obviously you will not understand it. Then you will say, sir, please repeat. So let me make a rule. I'm not going to repeat. Why should I repeat, Ray? When I'm telling you something in detail, and if at all you're focusing, you must understand that. All right, it is your problem if at all you're not understanding, not my problem. If I've explained it 1 or 2 times. So in an ordinary year, non-leap year, there are 52 weeks and one odd day. So you know that 365 days are there in a non-leap year. And you know that there are 7 days in a week. So total number of weeks, if you have to find out, you will divide 365 by 7. 7 fives are 35. So 15, 7 twos are 14. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. So when you divide a number by 7, when you divide a number by 7, the remainder obtained is called odd days. The remainder obtained is called odd days. The remainder obtained is called odd days. Not dare anyone ask me, sir, what are odd days? I will give you Shrapam. Okay. So the remainder is 1. This is called odd days. Okay. So let us say if you have 25 days. So what will be number of odd days? You divide it by 7. 7 threes are 21. The remainder is odd days. After dividing a number by 7, the remainder is odd days. After dividing a number by 7, the remainder is odd days. After dividing a number by 7, remainder is odd days. So I'm taking you directly here, odd days. When a particular number of days is divided by 7, when a particular number of days is divided by 7, then the remainder days so obtained are called odd days. Then the remainder days so obtained are called odd days. Remainder, odd days. All right. After dividing a number by 7, remainder, odd days. Now, friends, Romans, countrymen, please tell me. Now, can someone ask me, sir, what are odd days? Okay, by default, you will get a Shrapam generated by the system and AI. Okay. The remainder is called odd days. I don't want to give Shrapam because by default I've already given you my blessings, no? My Vardhanam is there. So I don't want to replace that also. But there you ask me what are odd days. Remainder obtained after dividing a number by 7 are called odd days. Remainder. Okay, at least remember the sound. So in an ordinary year, there are 52 weeks and one odd day or one remainder, a remaining day, extra day. And in a leap year, because there are 52 weeks and 2 days, because there are 366 days. All right. So 366 when divided will give you 2 as a remainder. Now there are two types of years, sir. How to find out whether a given year is a leap year or not? See, the years are century year and non-century year. Okay, century year and non-century year. What is a century year? Century year is divisible by 100. Is it or not? Century re divisible by 100. 1600, 1700, 1800, 1900, 2000, 2100. These are century years. Non-century year, which does not have two zeros at end. So century year will have two zeros at end, because it is divisible by 100. Non-century year does not have two zeros at end, like 2024. 24 is there at the end, not two zeros. It is not divisible by 100. So non-century year is not divisible by 100. So a non-century year is a leap year if the year is divisible by 4, like 2024. And what is the divisibility rule for 4? Last two digits. The number formed by the last two digits, if it is divisible by 4, then the complete number is divisible by 4. If the number formed with the help of last two digits is divisible by 4, then the complete number is divisible by 4. Okay. So similarly, you have, let us say, 1380, 1440. See, last two digits only you look at. But a century year is a leap year if the year is divisible by 400. If the year is divisible by 400. Okay. That is important. So I'll give you an example. Now look here. Like we had 1896. नहीं ये नहीं लेता हूँ मैं पहले. Let me take 1996, year 2000, year 2004, 1896, 1900, 1904. Right? Now see here, what is 1996? See, 1996 is divisible by 4. Correct? That is why it is a leap year. Okay, so let me first indicate the leap years and non-leap years here. So this is a leap year. This is a leap year. This was 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 a leap year. But this was a non-leap year. I'll tell you now. 1996 was a leap year because it was divisible by 4. 2004 is also divisible by 4. See, last two digits is 04, divisible by 4. But 2000, you know why it was a leap year? Not because it was divisible by 4, because it was divisible by 400. It's a century year. And the rule for century year is that they should be divisible by 400 if they have to be a leap year. Now, 1896 similarly was a leap year because is divisible by 4. 1904. 96 is divisible by 4. 04 is divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4. Alright. But year 1900, which is a century year, was not a leap year because it was not divisible by. Yeah, correct. Actually, 2000 and 1900 are century years. Correct, Deepika. 2100 is also a non-leap year. So here, the rule is century years. There have been only 5 century years which have been leap years. All right, which are those? So I'll write it here. There are only 5 century years which are leap years. Rest of the century years are non-leap year. Okay. Now, which are leap years? Which are leap years? Multiples of 400 रहे 400, 800, 1200, 1600, 2000, and the next one will be 2400. आपने वो किया. Sorry. Thank you. Correct. Yes, sir. That is a point I'm trying to actually put across to you, Atharva. That is exactly what I mean. Okay. See here, a leap year occurs after every 4 years. And here, a leap year is occurring after 8 years. For some people, it is very hard to believe, but this is how it is. Okay. Why? Because 1900 is not divisible by 400. Please know this. It was not a leap year. Correct, Atharva. All right. Okay, now. All right. Good enough. Okay. Now, 12 months in a calendar year, how many months have 31 days in them and which months have 31 days in them? See, you count here on your knuckles. Do you do that or not? See? Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, right? So whichever month comes on the knuckle has 31 days and whichever month falls in the gap does not have 31 days. Has 30 days? No, not necessarily. Because see here, what you got to notice is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 31 days months are 7 in number, 30 days months are 4. Which are those? See, April, June, September, November. All right. And then you have a 28 or 29 days month. Okay. That is only one. Which one? February. Okay. So just remember this fact. 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Please know that Monday happens to be the first day of the week. Okay. And Sunday is the last day, and that is why it is also called the weekend. Last day of the week, and that is why it is called weekend. Okay. So Monday is the first day of the week. Please know this. So odd days, when a number is divided by number of days is divided by 7, the remainder obtained is odd days. Okay. So any month which has 31 days in it, 31 divided by 7 goes by 28. Remainder 3. So 3 odd days. Okay. So 31 days month will have 3 odd days. Now similarly 30 days month will have 2 odd days. If you divide 30 by 7 goes by 28. So you have only 2 odd days. 29 days month, February in a leap year has 29 days. So 29 divided by 7 gives you 1 odd day. Correct? And 28 days means 0 odd days. Clear? Is this clear? Yes, Ambika. All right. So there are two pairs of months, two pairs of consecutive months which have 31 days in them. All right. See, July and August, 31 days. August also has 31 days. This is one pair. And the other one is December. Okay. Has 31 days. And the next month after that, January, will also have 31 days, although they belong to different years. Okay. December of the previous year, 31 days. January of this year, 31 days. But these are consecutive years, consecutive months. Anyhow, odd days are different from other days. Now, what do you mean by that? Odd days is a count. It is just the remainder obtained dividing the number. It is different from other days means what? It is not Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, odd day. No, it is not like that. Odd days is the number of extra days after dividing a number by 7. Oh, good morning, Tamanna. So late. Okay. Now look at this question. In the year 2021, if 17th January was a Sunday, now these are all fake days. We don't know whether 17th January was a Sunday or not, but he's just giving you as a condition. If 17th January was a Sunday, then 25th November will fall on which day of the week? Okay. Yeah, correct. It was incorrectly told to us that every 4 years a leap year occurs, but that happens only in non-century years. All right. And if at all we have a century year in between, which is divisible by 400. Otherwise, no. Yes, you can say perfect month because it has, if at all, it has 28 days. That is 4 weeks, each of 7 days. Each day of the week occurring 4 times. Okay, Divyani. Correct. All right, so let's do one thing. Hilo has suggested, can we take a break? So either I teach you for another 20 minutes or you take a break right now. Tell me which way you want it. Arey Baba, let's take it now or after 20 minutes. Mark this on the poll. We will know. Mark it, please. So 57% say after 20 minutes. So they win. Okay. All right, sir. Now listen, you'll enjoy this. You'll enjoy this. Others, you won't feel like having a break. All right. Get some water. Drink some water. Keep on sipping water in between. Howsoever cold it might be in your place, take some warm water. Keep on sipping it. That gives oxygen to your brain. Your brain will keep on working. Otherwise, you're getting up early in the morning on a early winter morning. Okay, and you people, some of you, you sleep late in the night. Then what is the use of joining a morning batch if at all you are not able to complete your sleep? Okay, because in the class you need 100% focus. All right, sir. So what we should do is, if we need to find out what is given here, just read this. Type 1 is two dates, they belong to the same year, and one weekday is prescribed for one of the dates. That is, two dates are 17th January and 25th November. And for 17th January, the day of the week is prescribed, it is Sunday. Now, taking that as a reference, you know, you have to find out what day of the week it lies on 25th November. So, for that, what you got to do is you take the number of odd days for all the months in this duration. Okay, all the months that fall in this duration. So, what do I have? I have a Jan, a Feb, a March, an April, a June, a July, an August, a September, an October, and finally a November. Okay. Now, January, which one? 17th. November, which one? 25th. Okay. Now, you also know the number of days for each of these months. 2021. What is 2021? Is it a leap year? No, it's a non-leap year. It's a non-leap year means February here should have 28 days. So March, April, the number of days I am writing. So May I have missed. Sorry. May, June, July, August, September, October, November. November date is 25th. So this is 31, 30, 31, 31, 30, 31 until 25th November. Okay. All right. Now, the rule here. Now, listen to me very carefully. All right. I'm telling you how to go about this. Now, the rule here is very simple. Actually, how many days are there in the month of January? Tell me. This first month that we are seeing here, how many days are there in the month of January? Please hurry up. All right. So from these 31 days, now listen to me carefully. What is it that you've got to do with the first date? How do you deal with the first date? How do you deal with the first date? How do you deal with the first date? Now, first you note the number of dates in the month of the first date. First date here is 17th. All right. It is in the month of January. So the total number of days in the month of January is 31. Total number of days in the month of January is 31, from which we will subtract the first date. All right. We will subtract the first date from the total number of days in the month. We will subtract the first date from the total number of days in the month. We will subtract the first date from the total number of days in the month. So total number of days in the month of January is 31. So 31 minus 17, you are left with 14. Now, important thing that you must note here is that number of odd days should always be less than 7. Number of odd days should always be less than 7. So whatever number of days that you get here, try to bring it lesser than 7. Lesser than 7. which means that if you have a number greater than 7, divide it by 7 and take the remainder. If you have a number greater than 7, if you have number of days greater than 7 days, then divide those number of days by 7. Okay. The remainder obtained is odd days. And obviously, you know that if you divide a number by 7, remainder will always be less than the divisor 7. Okay. So the number of odd days should always be less than 7. Number of odd days should always be less than 7. Number of odd days should always be less than 7. Number of odd days should always be less than 7. Number of odd days should always be less than 7. All right, sir. Here the number of odd days are 14 remaining days. Odd days, remaining days. So this is more than 7. So 14 goes by 7 completely. 7 twos are 14. So how many odd days? 0. 0. So here we have 0 odd days. And what do you do with the last date? You directly divide the last date by 7. Why? Because once you are going from January to November, and when you are in 30th October, 31st October, then you will go from 1st November to 25th November. How many days are there from 1st November to 25th November? 25 days are there. Okay. So you divide 25 by 7, you get 21, that is 4. All right. So you get 4 as a remainder. So 4 odd days. Up to you, Ilma. I have already told you, don't use Arihant. I had specified that, but still, if you want to use it, your choice. Find R.S. Agarwal. If you can't, take your call. I don't know which part of the country you are in, because it is available everywhere. Exactly, Subhash. That is exactly what we are going to do. So you have understood what we are supposed to do with the first date and the last date. First date, what do? We subtract from the total number of days of the month. All right. And last date, we directly divide by 7. Other months in between, we will just write the odd days. So 28 means 0. March, 31 days month means 3 odd days. 30 days month means 2 odd days. So 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. So now you take a total, you add these together. 3 plus 2, 5 and 3, 8, 10, 13, 16, 18, 21 plus 4, 25 odd days. So you're going to divide this 25 by 7. All right. So finally, final odd days is 4. So clearly, Sunday plus 4 odd days ahead of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yes, Akula, quantitative aptitude will be for maths. In that, calendars and clocks is given. But you also have to take verbal and non-verbal reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. Verbal and non-verbal reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. All right. So one more thing that you could have done is, instead of doing this calculation till 25, because see, in examination pressure, you might calculate 25 as 24 or 26. So ultimately, you're going to divide it by 7. And what is division? Division is continuous subtraction. Okay. So I'll keep on, the other way around is if you keep on subtracting 7 at a time. Okay. And what is 7? Well, 3 and 4 is 7. 2, 3, 2 is 7. Gone. Now 3 plus 3 plus 2 is 8. And again 8 minus 7 is 1. So you get 1 here, 3 here. Both together should give you a 4 odd days. Alright, this is exactly what we got here. So this way it will be faster. Wherever you get a sum of 7, keep on subtracting. If the sum is more than 7, if it is written 8, then 8 minus 7, 1 you write. If it is the sum of the numbers here is 9, then 9 minus 7 is 2. So you consider 2. Okay, that would be a faster process. Why add to Sunday? Read the question, Ray. Ganesh? 17th January is Sunday, no? So that is a reference. So it is 4 days ahead of Sunday. 4 days ahead of Sunday. No, February is very much included. Hello? What happened? Arey yaar, why are you people coming up with things without looking at the slide? Officer, IS, IPS officer, read the slide properly. Where February is not there in between? Tell me. Wake up. Huh? Come on. Why it is not in? Hey, why is it that you guys are making me repeat again and again? See, what's wrong with you? I've told you 2 books by R.S. Agarwal. All right, period. I'm not telling you anything. Verbal and non-verbal reasoning. You just want to chat and, just waste time. So, verbal and non-verbal reasoning, and second is quantitative aptitude by R.S. Agarwal, period, for competitive examinations. I told this to you in the first class itself. Why is it that I have to keep on repeating and waste my time over this? All right, let's go to break here. Fine. Why am I getting these chats here? Don't you think my rhythm gets disturbed here? I'm not a human being. Haven't I told this to you guys again and again? Why are you verifying? Didn't I tell you don't use Arihant? It has a lot of mistakes. Then again, you want to verify. If you don't have anything, then why are you asking me? Then go ahead and do it. I'm telling you, do this, don't do this. Then why are you verifying, sir? Still, should I do this? Still, should I don't do this? So every 1 hour, I should remind you these are the names of the books. Huh? Dare you ask me again? What kind of an officer will you make here? Huh? If you are being repetitive. And that too when I'm in the middle of the question. I'm addressing your queries and such a query comes to me again, which is a repetition. My rhythm also gets disturbed, beta. I have to reply to so many chats, so many queries. Just think of me once, please. And suddenly you take me away from the question, and I'm trying so hard for some people to convince them as well. So please, no repetitions. Officer, you are going to be. Act like one, not like a kid. Period. Over. Right? Okay. So now the query here is why should we count 25 days in November? So now listen to me carefully. You are going from 17th January onwards like this. Okay. So you will enter February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So first you will enter first, and then you will go till 25th. And I have explained this to you. So you will now remember when I had asked how many days are there from 1 to 25. Because we are going from 1st November till 25th November, we want days from 1 to 25. We do not want 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 of November. Do we? Do we? No. We want only from 1st November to 25th November. Clear? All right. So that is 25 days. Now is this clear? Now is this clear? Now is this clear? If there were 0 odd days, then 25th November will also be Sunday. Yes, 0 odd days means same day. Correct. So 0 odd days means same day. 1 odd day means 1 day ahead. 2 odd days means 2 days ahead. 3 odd days means 3 days ahead. 4 odd days means 4 days ahead. Okay, all right. Guys, what is the date today? What is the date today? Type, 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 type. You also work hard, no? 3rd January. And what is the day today? Day of the week. What is the day of the week? Wednesday. So 3rd January today is Wednesday. When will be next Wednesday? Which date? Next Wednesday. 10th. Why? 3 plus 7 is 10. Next Wednesday after that. #17. Next Wednesday after that. After 17th, next Wednesday. All right. So we know 24th. So we know that every 7th day, if we keep on adding, we will get the same day of the week. Correct? Now tell me, 10th day from today will have which weekday? 10th day from today. 1010. 10th day from today will have which weekday? Correct. So you see 10 is a number greater than 7. All right. And you want to find out odd days. Then what do? You divide the number by 7. So 10 days from today means 10 minus 7. 3 odd days directly from today. So after Wednesday, do not count Wednesday. Do not count Wednesday. After Wednesday, 3 days. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So the third day from today will be Saturday, and 10th day from today will also be Saturday. Clear? Yes, you got this. All right. Then if someone has a doubt that why is it that we are subtracting 17, is because you are going to count from 18th onwards. 18th January onwards. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 10 days. 28, 29, 30, 31 plus 4. 14 days only, no? Okay. Now apart from that, today is 3rd January. How many days are there till 8th January? 3rd to 8th. How many days are there? Tell me how many days are there? 5 days, beta. 5 days. 5 days. Which are those 5 days? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer of this question, Bhavna, is already discussed. It is written here. Why can't you read? It is not Monday. It has been solved, shown, debated upon. So this is the answer. All right. Now tell me how many days are there from today to tomorrow? How many days are there from today to tomorrow? Yes, sir. It is only one day. That is tomorrow. 24 hours, no? Actually speaking. Okay. So that is why you don't count the first date, 17th. You count from 18th to 31st. That is 14 days. And here you count from 1st to 25th November. That is 25 days. Get it? All right. I did not run the poll, Divya. I never ran the poll for this. Did I run a poll for this? Everybody is saying no. Then Divya, from where are you getting poll? How many classes are you attending currently? Are you attending someone else's class also? Because I did not run any poll, officer. What's wrong? Yes, Ganesh, we can. I will come to that. अरे दिव्या बात तो कर ले मेरे बच्चे ऑफिसर बन गए All right, now listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. Now, whatever method that I have taught to you, you must know this method. You must know this method. Okay. But although this is a long method, I'll give you a shortcut also. Okay. So, in a non-leap year, in a non-leap year, it means what? Not in a leap year. Where in a non-leap year, January and October, they have the same calendar. January and October, they have the same calendar. How? Well, if you keep on canceling the odd numbers, you would know that. Now see here. What I'm trying to tell you is the question says 17th January of 2021 was a Sunday. Now you directly jump to 17th October of 2021. This is also going to be a Sunday. Okay. 17th October 2021 is also a Sunday. All right. Now you have to find out 25th November of 2021 is what day. So now you have only 2 months. So see, you have saved so much of time and effort. Not required. Only this much you want. So October is what? 17th. November is what? 25th. Once again, first date is subtracted from the number of days of the month. So October has 31 days. Subtract 17. What do you get? 14. 14 means 0 odd days. November 25 means 4 odd days. 0 plus 4 again 4 odd days. Huh? So that means Sunday plus 4 odd days. Once again, it is Thursday. This saves you a lot of time. No, Ilma. Non-leap year is not the year which is divisible by 400. That was century year. Okay, that was leap year actually, which is divisible by 400. A century which is divisible by 400 is a leap year. Non-leap year has 365 days in it. You people are tired, it seems. Sir, why didn't we take 17th November also as Sunday? Because it is not Sunday. Because 17th November is not Sunday. Why should I take any day on any day? On any date, can we have any day? How did this occur to you that 17th November we should take as Sunday? Why? What did I tell you, officer? Jan and October have same calendar. Did I say Jan and November have same calendar? Then why are you taking 17th November as a Sunday? You tell me. So, Mishri, 15 days from today. So 15 minus 14, 1 day from today. That is Thursday. Simple little star. Whatever the number of days are given to you, please divide that by 7 yaar. Okay, and take the remainder over 15 days from today. 15 divided by 7, 1 remainder. So 1 day from today. 10 days from today, so 10 divided by 7, 3 remainder. So 3 from today. 50th day from today, 50. All right. So 50 minus 49, 1 day from today. No, Ilma, for every month it will be different. Otherwise, I would have given it to you. This is only a relation between January and October of non-leap year. See, Nagaraja. Sir, in non-leap year, always January is equal to October. No. It is not. It is just like that I have given here. What is written here, Ray? Huh? It depends on the mood of the non-leap year. Sometimes non-leap year feels I'm on a holiday. I don't want January and October to be same this year. Huh? But I've written this. I'm reiterating this. I'm solving a question based on this. Then you're asking me a question, sir. In a leap year, January is equal to October. Same calendar, sir. No, Vechri. In 2021, January and October will have same calendar. In 2022, January will and October will have same calendar. In 2023, January and October will have same calendar, but not in 2024 because it's a leap year. No, Kaustubh, don't jump to conclusions. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Just remember it for a non-leap year. For a non-leap year, January and October have same calendar. Period. Nothing else, sir. Then in leap year, this will have. Sir, no. Stop. I'll tell you everything. Have patience. All right. I know you are very bright. That is why you are thinking in other terms also. But let us stop all these interfering thought patterns and wait and have patience. So repeat to yourself in a non-leap year, Jan equal to October. That's it. Nothing else should come to your mind. So in a non-leap year, Jan October. Jan October. You can say that. All right. We are checking in English, asking you same question in different ways. Sorry to repeat it. No. It's all right. How 40 days calculated? 40 divided by 7 gives you 5 as a remainder. So 5 days from today. Monday. No, 40. It is not 40. It is odd days. This is how I write 40. 0 will be this big. This is odd days. Good, no? No, thank you. Thank you. I also have learned my lesson. Why 31 minus 17? Wonderful. So, Anshu, this is the nth time I am telling you. From the first month, number of days, total number of days in the month of October minus the first date. This is what we will do. If you remember, it was, I think, 5 or 6 times that I repeated this here. Subtract the first date from the total number of days in the first month. Okay. So 17th January was given. So January has 31 days. So 31 minus 17 we took. Okay. So first month here is October. So 31 minus 17, 14 days. All right. So I am teaching you only till next week, Friday. Let us see whether course gets completed or not. Okay. If it doesn't get completed, I will not be bothered. You talk to Bejus. All right. I'm not responsible. Okay. If he gives you extra hours, then it's all right. Now, Sanskar is saying, is there any easy trick to solve this question? My goodness. All right, lovely. I would better ignore your questions. Let's go for a break, son. Okay. Because I also need to, drink some water and cool down. Right? Because your queries are very innocent, actually. Very innocent. What is it that I discussed? This is not a shortcut? Huh? No, Megha, no. I will take my time. Okay. So it is 8:05 by my clock. So let us take break and join back at 8:20. And I'm not sure whether I'll be able to complete calendars today because I was supposed to complete cubes also, but that's all right. Calendars ही पूरा हो जाए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. चलो जी, let's catch up at 8:20. Okay, मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद. हाँ अभी ठीक है, थैंक यू। All right, and we are back. Ritika, beta, in a leap year, the October calendar will be one day not behind the January calendar, but ahead of January calendar. One day ahead. Because 29th February comes in between, no? So one day ahead. Okay? Not behind. All right, sir, let's go ahead. If 17th March was a Sunday, then 25th November fell on which day of the week? Okay, so first things first, you might feel can't say because year is not given. But do we need the year? Whether it is leap year or non-leap year? Do we need to know that? Because the difference of the days will come only because of February, right? Because February will have 28 days in non-leap year and 29 days in a leap year. But here we're talking from March to November. All right, so February does not fall into this period. February does not fall into this period. Okay, so here there is no requirement for us to know whether it is a leap year or a non-leap year, because in a leap year or in a non-leap year, 1st March to 31st December will have same number of days. Be it a leap year or a non-leap year, number of days they change in which month? February, but not from March to November, March to December. No change will be there in the number of days. All right. So from 1st March to 31st December, we will have same number of days. So we can say in leap year and in non-leap year, 1st March to 31st December, there will be same number of days. So it is not required to know whether the year is a leap year or a non-leap year. So we continue with our process. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. See, if we solve 4-5 questions of similar types, then you will be in a position to get a better grip on this type, all right, of questions. So it is from 17th March till 25th November. So what do? You find out how many days are there in the month of March? 31 days. From that, you subtract the first date, the date which is given to you, that is 17th March. So what is the remainder? 14. This you divide by 7, you get 0 odd days. April has 30 days, so 2 odd days. May 31, so 3. June 30, so 2. July 31, so 3. August 31, so 3. September 30 days, so 2. October 31 days, so 3. 25, you directly divide 25 by 7. The last date, all right, is directly divided by 7. So you get 4 here. Now what do? You keep cancelling wherever you find a sum of 7. 2, 3, 2, 1. Now 3 plus 3 plus 2 is 8, and 8 minus 7 is 1. So the day given to you here is Sunday. So you add this one odd day here, you directly get a Monday as the answer. Is this clear? Chat has gone back, is it? Correct, Srihari. Yes, Ritika. Why would March have one odd day, Janvi? March has 31 days, so it will have 3 odd days. So where is the question of saying that it has one odd day? If it had one odd day, then the answer will be Tuesday. I'm not cutting the odd number, Divya. I am cutting wherever there is a sum of 7, because that is how you divide, right? Okay. So if at all you take the total here, what is total? 232 is 7 and 8 15 and 7 22. So anyhow you would have divided 22 by 7. You would have got 21. So one odd day. Now division is what? Continuous subtraction. 22 minus 7, you get 15. 15 minus 7, you get 8. 8 minus 7, you get 1. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. So this is a faster and more accurate process, that if you keep on removing 7 at a time, wherever you get a sum of 7, that is 3 plus 4 is 7, 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 7. All right, that way is you reach to your answer earlier without making mistake. Okay. Otherwise, to calculate and to add up so many numbers together, this 22 will become 21 or 23 in the final exam. You have something called exam pressure also. All right, so you might commit a mistake in adding so many numbers together. But ultimately, the addition or sum, you're going to divide by 7 only. And division by 7 means keep on removing 7 at a time. Okay. Now, I think the same thing I explained, Prashik, is it? All right, you got it. Lovely, lovely. Now, here I give you another equation. Okay. And look at it carefully. In any year means in both leap year and in non-leap year. March and November, they always have the same calendar. Now you would say, sir, March has 31 days and November has 30 days. So 30 days, first 30 days have same calendar. First 30 days have same calendar. So now simple as that. 17th March of any year, let us say, is a Sunday. Then 17th of November of that year will also be a Sunday. That is how it is. Okay. Now you need to find out for 25th November. So 17th November to 25th November, 25 minus 17, you have 8 days. And 8 minus 7 is 1 odd day. So Sunday plus 1 odd day, that gives us a Monday. Now this is the shortcut, Sanskar. This is the shortcut. You don't have to perform all these calculations. Get it? Okay. Now look at this one. If 15th February is a Tuesday, when? 2020. What is 2020? See, last two digits are 20. They are divisible by 4. So hence it's a leap year. Okay, it's a leap year. And it's a leap year means the month of February will have 29 days in it. Okay. So 15th Feb is when you start. So March, April, May, June, July, up to 15th August, you have to take. So what is the rule? The rule is you look at the month, the first month, February. It has how many days now? 29 days. From which you will subtract the first date. So 29 minus 15 is 14. Divide this by 7. Gives you 0 as a remainder. So 0 odd days. March, April, May, June, July. This time I am not writing the number of days in the month because you already know them. And last date, 15, is divided directly by 7 to give you 1. Okay. So what did we do? We keep on removing 7 at a time. 2, 3, 2 gone. 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 3 plus 1 is also 7. So how much do you get? 0 odd days. So Sunday plus 0 odd days means same day. That is Sunday. Why no, Dikshit? Hey, why are you getting Tuesday? Tell me, no. Oh, sorry, Tuesday. My bad. Then my bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. My fault. 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 Tuesday. My fault. My fault. Yes, sir. You got it correct, Vechri. So from this, we find that in a leap year, Feb and August, they have the same calendar. In a leap year, Feb, August, they have the same calendar. Okay. So as you saw in 2020, which is a leap year, if 15th February is a Tuesday, then 15th August will also be a Tuesday. Same calendar means every day will be same. If 1st February is Monday, then 1st August will be Monday. 2nd February is Tuesday, then 2nd August will be Tuesday. Same dates will have same weekdays. 15th February is a Tuesday, so 15th August will also be a Tuesday. 20th February, let us say, is a Sunday, then 20th August will also be a Sunday. Okay? Same date, same day. Same date, same day. Same calendar means this. Listen to what Alok has posted here. सर ज्यादा संडे संडे कर लिया, अब संडे के अलावा कोई आंसर आ ही नहीं रहा है. All right, so here we got Tuesday. Good enough. Good enough. How many shortcuts like this? I'll show you, Shreyansh. Hold on. There are 8 actually in total. Look at this one first. If 15th May of a particular year, see the year is not given to you. It is a Sunday. Sunday, we are back to Sunday. Okay. All right. Then 26th of January of the next year will fall on which day of the week? So you directly write from May to next year Jan. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. This January of next year. All right. After December. All right. So May here is 15th and January here is 26th. So the month of May has how many days in it? 31. From which we will subtract the first date. So you get 16. 16 is a number greater than 7. So divided by 7, you get 2 here. So 2 odd days. June, July, cut it here only, no? 2 to 3 is 7. Okay. Then August, September, October, November, cut it here, no? 2, 3, 2. All right. Then December, January 26. Last date we directly divide by 7. Because we will move from 1st January to 26th January. And 1st to 26th January is 26 days. So 5 here. So what are we left with? 3, 3, 5. See, 5 plus 3 is again 8. And 8 minus 7 is 1. So finally we get 3 plus 1, that is 4. So now once again, we have Sunday this time. So Sunday plus 4 will give us a Thursday. Yes, you got this. You got this. Srihari, nahi beta. Not Wednesday. देखो आप. Just watch it. Correct उसना. Correct, Gia. First thing that you have to do is check what kind of a year is it. If the year is given to you, see whether it is leap year or non-leap year. Okay. Now here I give you the shortcut. All right. Again, for any year, that is for both leap year and non-leap year, by of year X will have the same calendar as January of year X plus 1. That is, May of a year will be same as calendar for next year Jan. Okay, so they will have same calendar. Sir, Sunday will now feel bad and get jealous of Thursday. Okay, no, we'll take care of Sunday. All right, we don't want anyone to get jealous. All are equal for us. Here we go. There are some shortcuts for which I have not given you examples. But here, let us try and memorize it like this. So now let's do it fast. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to say out these shortcuts and you're going to repeat with me. All right? Don't look at any other thing. Only listen to me carefully. Only listen to me carefully and repeat whatever I'm saying. Non-leap year, Jan, October. 5 times. Non-leap year, Jan, October. 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 All right. Leap year, Jan, April, July. 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 That means in a leap year, January, April, and July, they have the same calendar. Okay. For a leap year, January, April, and July will have the same calendar. That is, if 26th January is a Friday, then 26th April will be a Friday, 26th July will also be a Friday if it is a leap year. So leap year, Jan, April, July. 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 Stop. Now let's do both these together. Now listen to me carefully and repeat along with me. All right. Non-leap year, Jan, October. Leap year, Jan, April, July. Non-leap year, Jan, October. Leap year, Jan, April, July. Non-leap year, Jan, October. Leap year, Jan, April, July. Non-leap year, Jan, October. Leap year, Jan, April, July. Non-leap year, Jan, October. Leap year, Jan, April, July. Non-leap year, Jan, October. Leap year, Jan, April, July. Non-leap year, Jan, October, leap year, Jan, April, July. Non-leap year, Jan, October, leap year, Jan, April, July. All right. Stop. Now let's do for Feb, March, November. Non-leap year, 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 Feb, March, November. Leap year, Feb, August. I give you an example for this, right? Leap year, Feb, August. Leap year, Feb, August. Leap year, Feb, August. Leap year, Feb, August. Now let's do both these together. Non-leap year, Feb, March, November. Leap year, Feb, August. Non-leap year, Feb, March, November. Leap year, Feb, August. Non-leap year, Feb, March, November. Leap year, Feb, August. Non-leap year, Feb, March, November. Leap year, Feb, August. All right, stop. Now let's do for all the four together. Now listen to me very carefully. You can do this. Come on, you have been doing it. Come on, officer, you can do this. And that is non-leap year, Jan, October. Leap year, Jan, April, July. Non-leap year, Feb, March, November. Leap year, Feb, August. Non-leap year, Jan, October. Leap year, Jan, April, July. Non-leap year, Feb, March, November. Leap year, Feb, August. Non-leap year, Jan, October. Leap year, Jan, April, July. Non-leap year, Feb, March, November. Leap year, Feb, August. Non-leap year, Jan, October. Leap year, Jan, April, July. Non-leap year, Feb, March, November. Leap year, Feb, August. Non-leap year, Jan, October. Leap year, Jan, April, July. Non-leap year, Feb, March, November. Leap year, Feb, August. Done? Done? Lovely. All right. So there are four more. All right. So we will remember the other four, which are common to both the years. Like you remember March, November, they are common to both leap year and non-leap year. So these common ones, we will learn them in a rhythmic style. All right, let's do it. March, November, April, July, May, next Jan, September, December, March, November, April, July, May, next Jan, September, December, March, November, April, July, May, next Jan, September, December, March, November, April, July, May, next Jan, September, December, March, November, April, July, May, next Jan, September, December, March, November, April, July, May, next Jan, September, December. Got it? Haha, stop, stop, stop. Okay. Thank you, man. God bless you. All right. So let's do this all together. Non-leap year, Jan, October. Leap year, Jan, April, July. Non-leap year, Feb, March, November. Leap year, Feb, August. Then March, November, April, July. My next Jan, September, December, March, November, April, July. My next Jan, September, December. याद हो गया? Memorized? Okay. Mom came with water. All right. Lovely. Yes, you can flaunt it very much, Vechri. Done, done, done. Shabash. ये याद हो गया. So do it like this. I mean, it is the first occasion, and I am not guaranteeing you that obviously you might not remember, but it is only, when you keep on revising and repeating things that they register properly into your mind. All right? All right, sir. Look at this question of CSAT 2020. The very purpose why I am teaching you these shortcuts is, you will really benefit. So it says if in a particular year he is not mentioned, 12th January is a Sunday. See, this guy is also using Sunday here. Alok. Then which one of the following is correct? 15th July. First read it. First read all the four choices. 15th July is a Sunday if the year is a leap year. No, 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 no. If the year is a leap year, in a leap year, we know Jan, April, July, they have the same calendar. Non-leap year, Jan, October, leap year, Jan, April, July. Correct? So here, Jan and July will have same calendar. So if 12th January of a leap year is a Sunday, then 12th July of a leap year will also be a Sunday. Choice C. No calculations required. 12th January is also my birthday. Oh, lovely. Alok. Happy birthday in advance. Got this? So now just with the help of these shortcuts, we were able to solve this question in a jiffy, just like that, with a snap of finger. Okay? So this is how these things are very, very helpful to us. All right. This I will do after some time. Let me first of all catch hold of this. 2 years with same calendar. Now, if you have to find out 2 years with same calendar, then what do you do? Okay. Let us see. Let us see. See, if the year, let us say, I give you an example here, is 1840. Okay. Now, 1840 happens to be a leap year. If you want to find out the next year after 1840, which had the exact calendar, that is same date, same day, same date, same day of the week. All right, then just simply add 28 to this. It was 1868. So 1868 will have same calendar as 1840 because it's a leap year. So what do you do if the year is a leap year? Then what do? You add 28 to it. So we are in 2024. It's 24. It's a leap year. So what do? You add 28 to this. So 2052 will have the same calendar as 2024. 2024 today, 3rd January is Wednesday. So 3rd January of 2052 will also be a Wednesday. Clear? Okay. 1996, yes, all 1996, 2000, whichever you want to take. Now see, if it is 1841, now this is 1 year after the leap year. That is, it is 1 year after 1840. Okay, if you want to find out the year which has the same calendar, add 6 to it. 1847. So 1847 had the same calendar as 1841. Okay. If it is 1842, that is 2 years after leap year. See, nearest leap year is 1840 plus 2, no? Then add 11 to this. Okay. So 1842 plus 11 is 1853, which had the same calendar as 1842. So 1843, what is this? This is leap year plus 3. That is 1840 plus 3. Or let us say leap year minus 1. That is 1844 minus 1. Whichever way you take it, add 11 to this. So you will get 1854. Is that clear? All right. So what do we have here? If it is leap year, add 28. Leap year plus 1, add 6. Leap year plus 2, add 11. Leap year plus 3, add 11. So right now, along with me, I want you to repeat this, all right, as many number of times as I speak out, along with me. 28, 6, 11, 11. Repeat. 28, 6, 11, 11. Write it down. 28, 6, 11, 11. Like this. 28, 6, 11, 11. 28, 6, 11, 11. 28, 6, 11, 11. 28, 6, 11, 11. 28, 6, 11, 11. 28, 6, 11, 11. 28, 6, 11, 11. 28, 6, 11, 11. 28, 6, 11, 11. 28, 6, 11, 11. 28, 6, 11, 11. 28, 6, 11, 11. 28, 6, 11, 11. Got it? So what is this? Leap year plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Over. My audio is not muted, Chandu. My audio is not muted. Dear Chandu, please refresh. Obviously, if he's not able to hear me, I have to write it. No, I can't say my audio is not muted and he will not be able to hear me. No, 1900, you can't. That's a different theory. So, century years you leave. Okay, you don't have to get into those details. Leap year plus 1 means Chitturi next year after leap year. 1840 is a leap year, which is the next year after 1840. 1841. Leap year plus 1. Leap year is 1840 plus 1. Next year to leap year. Okay. 1842. 1840 is the nearest leap year plus 2 years. 2 years after that. If it is 2 years more than the leap year. Okay. 1843. If it is 3 years more than the leap year, 1840. Okay. So 28, 6, 11, 11. याद हो गया सबको? Everybody remembers? Everybody remembers this 28, 6, 11, 11? Confirm? Give me a confirmation. Lovely. What is this? Vechri? So, but when we be in service, no one will ask us which year it will have, what day and date. Then why UPSC itself plays with our emotions and makes us play with our minds. I am the Alia Bhatt of Razi. मुझे घर जाना. Well, this definitely is going to be useful. Okay, it will be useful for you throughout your life. Trust me, it will be very useful. See, lovely thing here is that, in advance, 2024 plus 28, 2052, 3rd January is going to be a Wednesday. Isn't that magic in itself? True. Okay. 2024, if you subtract 28, then you get 1996. Okay. So if there is someone who was born on 3rd January 1996, that means the person is born on a Wednesday. See, lovely, no? Okay, now let's do this. Out of the years given in the below options, which year will have the same calendar as 2020? Tell me, very fast. I'm giving you poll for this. Come on, guys, let's do this. Let's do this, sir. Mark your answer in the poll. Correct, correct, correct. You got it, you got it. Shabash. Come on, officer. Chalo, bhaiya, chalo. Let's do it. 63% still. All right. 2020, is what? Leap year. All right. So you remember 28, 6, 11, 11. This is for leap year. All right. So you add 28 to it simply, you get 2048. Which of the following years will have the same calendar as year 2005? 2005, I'm starting a poll here. '28, 6, 11, 11. Obviously, plus, plus, plus. This is for leap year. This is leap year plus 1. This is leap year plus 2. And this is leap year plus 3. And this is what we want right now. Lovely. 74% improvement. So 2005 is 2004 plus 1 nearest leap year. So leap year plus 1. So what do you do in such a case? You add 6. So what is it that we will get here? 2011. So choice A is the answer. Now, which of the following years will have the same calendar as 1950? Okay. Give me your answer. Come on. Yes, I'll show you, Bechri. I'll show you. %71%. Arey Baba, you only have to add, no, what is there in it. So 1950 is what? 2 years after leap years, no? Nearest leap year is what? 1948. Plus 2 years. Correct? So what do you do in such a case? Leap year plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 2. All right. So what do you do is 11. So 1961 should be the correct answer. Which of the following years had the same calendar as the year 1947? Mark your answer. Come on, shabash. 28, 6, 11, 11. Leap year plus 1, leap year plus 2, leap year plus 3. So we have 1947. Nearest leap year is 1944 plus 3 years. See, leap year plus 3. What do you do in leap year plus 3? You add 11. So what do you get here? 1958. Get this? Lovely. Now, Solve this CSAT 2019 question. Which year has the same calendar as that of 2009? Tell me. Acha, poll I'll give you, no? Perfect. Aha, 83% could solve now CSAT question. So 2009. Now you know it is 28, 6, 11, 11. Leap year plus 1, leap year plus 2, leap year plus 3. So this falls under which category? This is 2008 plus 1, leap year plus 1. So how much will we add here? Leap year plus 1, you add 6. So 2015 should be the correct answer. See, in 2009, let us say you forget which number to add, but don't forget the numbers 28, 6, 11, 11. Okay, if you forget which one to add, if you add 28 to it, you will get 2037. 2018, 17, 16, 15, not amongst the choices. Okay, if you add 2009 and 11, you will get 2020. Now see, 2020 again is not amongst the choices. Then it should strike to you know that I should add 2009 and 6 altogether to get 2015. Okay, anyhow. All right, sir. Weekdays that occur 5 times in a month. Weekdays that occur 5 times in a month. Any month which has 31 days in it, any month which has 31 days in it, has how many odd days? Tell me. Type faster. Type faster. 3 odd days. Any month which has 30 days has how many odd days in it? 2 29 days February in a leap year, 1 odd day. 28 days February in a non-leap year, 0 odd days. 28 divided by 7, remainder is 0. Lovely. Okay. Now listen to me carefully. So 31 days month. Okay. Like we have January. January has 31 days. And January has 3 odd days. Okay. So 3 odd days means first 3 dates. Whatever are the day of the weeks. So days of the week will be repeated 5 times in the month of January. You know, guys, what? You know that 1st January, 2nd January, and today, 3rd January, this was a Monday, that was a Tuesday, and this was a Wednesday. Correct? This is today, no? So, in this month of January, there will be 5 Mondays, 5 Tuesdays, and 5 Wednesdays, which means only 4 Sundays and only 4 Saturdays. Yes, Subhash, in both leap year and non-leap year. Okay. Now, any month which has 30 days in it, any month which has 30 days in it. Okay. So this is an example I'm giving you. It is an example. 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 It may not be exact as your calendar. Okay. So let us take the case of September. September has how many days in it? 30 days. That means September has how many odd days? 2 odd days. Okay. So 2 odd days means first 2 dates, whatever it means, whichever weekdays fall on the first 2 dates of September. That is 1st September and 2nd September. All right. Will occur 5 times in the month. That is, let us say, if 1st September is a Saturday and 2nd September is a Sunday, then there will be, these will occur 5 times in the month of September. That is 5 Saturdays and 5 Sundays. Other days of the week, they will occur only 4 times. Okay. Now, February in a leap year, has 29 days. Okay. So that means it has 1 odd day. So that means 1st February weekday will occur 5 times in February. See, today is what? 3rd January. Let us find out what day of the week will fall on 1st January, no? 1st February. So January here, today is what? 3rd. And February that we need to find out is for 1st. So 31 minus 3. 31 is the number of days on January and we are subtracting the first date. So how many? 28. 28 means 0. And this is what? 1st. Okay. So this is going to be a Wednesday plus 1, Thursday. Please check your calendar. Thursday only. No, excluding it nahi hoga Himani. Including that. Including the first 2 dates. In total 5 times in that month. So, see, 1st February will be a Thursday. Plus 7. 8 will also be a Thursday. Plus 7. 15 will also be a Thursday. Plus 7. 22 will also be a Thursday. Plus 7. 29 will also be a Thursday. Alright, that is why Thursday will occur 5 times. How wonderful it would have been, no, if 1st February would have been a Sunday. Then 5 Sundays in the month of February. Lovely, no? And February in non-leap year. See, February in non-leap year has exactly 28 days. And there are 7 days in a week and 7 fours are 28. So 0 odd days. So each day of the month will occur only 4 times, exactly 4 times. So in this month of February, which has 28 days, there will be 4 Mondays, 4 Tuesdays, 4 Wednesdays, 4 Thursdays, 4 Fridays, 4 Saturdays, and 4 Sundays. Clear? Got it? Lovely. Now this is going to be useful for you every time. So this time itself, you can estimate for January. Another thing that I would like to highlight. That 1st January was a Monday. Okay. Correct. So this means 31st December was a Sunday. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So the last year, 2023 December that we had, there were 5 Fridays, 5 Saturdays, and 5 Sundays. 5. See, December of 2023, I'm talking about. All right. So first, this is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. First was a Friday, correct? Second was Saturday, third was Sunday. Keep on adding 7 to this, no? So 1 plus 7, 2 plus 7, 3 plus 7. So you get the next date. 8, 9, 10. These are also Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Plus 7, plus 7, plus 7. So 15, 16, 17th. Even these were Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So plus 7, plus 7, plus 7. 22nd, 23rd, and 24th of December, they were also Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Once again, plus 7, plus 7, plus 7. So 29th, 30th, and 31st. All right. So how many times? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5 times. So the last year's December had 5 Fridays, 5 Saturdays, 5 Sundays, 5 weekends. Got it? So that's the whole point, actually. So you can calculate in a month how many working days do you have, including some more holidays, 26th January, 15th August, Diwali, Eid, or whatever, Christmas. So whatever that you have there, right? So likewise, you can find out how many holidays will be there in total in the month. So how many working days? Saloni, I never said beta 2024, 2000 and 2024 will have same calendar. Incorrect. Incorrect. 2024 minus 28. This is a leap year. All right. It was 1996, which had the same calendar as 2024. I never said 2000, year 2000 and year 2024 will have same calendar. I never said. God promise, I never said. I have witnesses here. Okay. So from where are you getting this, beta? Yes, too many working days this month. No, basically, in the month of January, I believe the total number of days here are 31, out of which there are 4 Saturdays, 4 Sundays. So if you have, let us say, a holiday on Saturday, so that makes it 8, and 26th January is a holiday. So 9. So you have 22 working days. No, Himani, there is no such concept. I don't know from where you are bringing this. Simple as that. A non-century year will be a leap year if it is divisible by 4. A century year is a leap year if it is divisible by 400. And there have been only 5 century years which have been leap years, and that is 400, 800, 1200, 1600, and 2000. That is it. These are the only leap year centuries. All right, only century years which were leap year. So these are only those century years which were leap years. That means year 100, 200, 300 was non-leap year, 400 was a leap year, 500, 600, 700 non-leap year, 800 is a leap year, 900, 1000, 1100 non-leap year, 1200 is a leap year, 1300, 1400, 1500 non-leap year, 1600 is a leap year, then 1700, 1800, 1900 non-leap year, 2000 is a leap year, and likewise. Yes, 2400 will be the next century year, which will be a leap year. No, it will not be correct, Saloni. It will not be correct. All right, guys. If you want to know that which year had the same calendar as 2023, you will be going back. Let us say if you want to go back, okay, then this 2023, you will be subtracting. See, this is not a leap year. So you will subtract either 6 or 11. You cannot subtract 28 now. 2024 is a leap year. So you will keep on subtracting 28 years. So you will get, all leap years in the past, which had the same calendar as 2024. But for 2023, which is a non-leap year, you will subtract either 6 or 11. So find out whichsoever that you subtract, if it gives you the same calendar or not. So let us do one thing. Minus 6 we do. So what do you get? 2017. Correct? No? If from 2017 you would have got to 2023, what is 2017? It is 2016 plus 1. That is leap year plus 1. All right. So that is why 2017, if you add 6 to it, you will get 2023. So it's a correct combination. Okay. But can I minus 6 here? If that be the case, then I should get 2011. Now see, what is 2011? If from 2011, if you go, in the forward direction and try to find out the next year which has the same calendar as 2011, then 2011 is basically what? 2008 plus 3, that is leap year plus 3. So how much should be added here? Actually 11 should be added here. So this is incorrect. Okay, so what do you do? 2017 here, let us say 2023 minus 6 is 2017. So minus 11 you take. Okay, so minus 11 if you do minus 11, okay, how much do we get? 2006. All right, and keep checking. From 2006, if you have to go to 2017, what is 2006? Well, it is leap year plus 2. 2004 plus 2. So you will add 11 and go to 2017. So in short, if you're going back, just find out the first year. Okay. Now from this, what will you subtract? Will you subtract 6? If you subtract 6, then you will get 2000. And here 2000 was leap year. So what would you subtract? Again, you will subtract 11. So you will have 1995. Okay, this would be the correct method. All right. Now, what do you see here? If you have to go backwards, minus 6, minus 11, minus 11. If it is coming. Okay. So, again, minus 6, 1989, minus 11, 1978, minus 11, 1967. Likewise, they will have same calendar. Okay. So similarly, if you want to find out for 2022, see, what you do is you reduce 6. If you subtract 6, what do you get? 2016. Oh, it is a leap year, no? So 2022, which is a non-leap year, cannot have the same calendar as 2016, which is a leap year, because both do not have same number of days. Here you have 365 days, and here you have 366 days. So how can the calendar be the same? So this is incorrect. So what do? You have found out 2022 minus 11, and that is 2011. Okay, so minus 6, so that is 2005, minus 11, so that is 1994. and so on. That is exactly what I am doing, Shivaji. Correct, Divyani. In forward direction, 2034 will have same calendar as 2023. All right. So let's have a look at the questions. All right. It's already what, 9:18. So we will not be able to complete calendars, leave cubes also. We will cover them tomorrow then. Okay. Now see here, please have a look here. If 13th July of a year is Sunday, then how many Fridays will be there in this month? So first of all, you indicate Sunday and then find out which will be nearest Friday. If you go in forward direction, it will be the 5th day. But if you go in the reverse direction, it will be 2 days before. This is easier, no? And what is given to you here? 13th July is Sunday. See, I'm maintaining some gap here. I'm just maintaining some gap here. Okay. So if this is 13, then this is 12 and this is 11. So 11th was a Friday. Now 11 minus 7 is 4th. Why? Because I want to find out whether the first 3 days Friday was there or not. So I find out first 3 days actually were Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So these will be repeated 5 times and Friday will be repeated only 4 times. Yes, Ritika, you got this. No, Somyashri, it is not the same as 28, 6, 11, 11 when you are going in reverse direction, when you are moving towards past. Then you will have to calculate and find out. Okay. So better pray to God that you get a question on forward order rather than reverse order. If 12th September is a Friday, then how many Mondays will be there? So you have a Friday here. Okay, this is what? 12th September, Saturday, Sunday, and this is Monday. All right, 13, 14, 15. 15 minus 7 is what? It is 8th. And 8th minus 7 is what? First. Oh, first was a Monday of September. So obviously it will be repeated 5 times. Got it? Now let us solve some questions from previous years. Whatever is left, we are going to cover it tomorrow. So this is left. This is also left over. This we have completed. This we have completed. If today is Sunday, then which day is it exactly on 10 to the power 10th day? Now see here. This is your CSAT 2023. Now here there is a different fundamental that I need to explain. Now listen to me very carefully. Be concentrated. Be concentrated, all right? If it is given to you 10 to the power of 10, first what you do here is make the power an odd number. Okay, now here you should know something about indices. A to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n, yes or no? You know this, right? So don't you think I can write this as 10 square raised to 5? Correct? Now this is odd, no? 5 is odd, no? What is 10 square? 100. 100 raised to 5 you have to find out. Now see, for a single 100, if you divide this by 7, because what is it that you require? You require odd days always. Okay. So goes by 7. So 30 goes by 28. So 2 odd days. So for 100 divided by 7, you have 2 odd days. So for another 100, you will have 2 odd days. For another 100, you will have 2 odd days. For another 100, you will have 2 odd days. For another 100, you will have 2 odd days. Because 100 raised to 5, if you're dividing by 7, actually what you're doing is 100 divided by 7 and 200 divided by 7. All right, likewise. This is what we have here. Every time you will be dividing by 7. So here, remainder when 100 raised to 5 is divided by 7, then remainder is going to be 2 to the power of 5. Every time you will get 2, no? For every 100. Here also you will have 2. Here also 2 remainder. Here also 2 remainder. Here also 2 remainder. 2 remainder. Alright, so 2 raised to 5. Now 2 raised to 5 is again 32. Again 32 is a number which is larger than 7. So you divide it by 7. Goes by 28. So finally you get 4. Okay. So Sunday plus 4 odd days is equal to Thursday. That is choice B. See, I can't help it. 2023 asked this question. So you have to remember this fundamental. That is, make the power an odd number. So take 2 inside and take square of this. It becomes 100. 100 you divide by 7. Whatever remainder you get, you put 5 to the power of that remainder. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Now 32, obviously remainder cannot be more than 7. No? If it is more than 7, divide by 7. So 32 you divide by 7 to get final odd days, that is 4. Always Sunday or Thursday, yes, Shabir. In every question. One question we had Tuesday also, remember? 15th February is a Tuesday, so 15th August is also a Tuesday. Remember? Palak, 100 if you divide by 7, beta. So 7 and this is 30, 28, you get 2 remainder. Have you understood this, Palak? Chat with me. All right, Anshu got it. Okay. So here, how many hundreds are there? Palak, tell me how many hundreds are there? 5. So for every 100, you will get 2 as a remainder. For every 100, you will get 2 as a remainder. Right? So for 500s, you will get 2 to the power of 5. Okay, because these are being multiplied. See, power of 5 means what? Multiply, not add. It is 100 into 100 into 100 into 100 into 100, which is 100 to the power of 5. So each time you get a remainder 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 will be the final remainder. That is 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. That will be the remainder. Now 32, if you are getting as a remainder, it is again, a higher value as compared to 7, greater than 7. So divided by 7 to get 4. Is this clear, Palak? Okay, good enough. To find out the weekday for an original date, for that, first what I'm going to do is, I'm going to explain to you one logic here. Oh, only 3 minutes left. All right, I know. Atharva, your question is incomplete. Sir, as you told so many tricks for calendar, I want to know if 15 September is Tuesday. 15 September of which year, my dear? Is Tuesday. Then 2034 on same date. What date? Fifteenth September of 2026 or 24. All right. So I'll do it. Whatever I have to do, I'll do tomorrow. Okay. So I'm giving you some tricks today, so that we have a brilliant goodbye kind of a thing. Okay. Now tell me, how much is 108 square? How much is 108 square? Jaldi batao. Last 2 minutes, I'm going to give you something great. Arey, how much is 108 square? Ah, did you calculate with your calculator, or you multiplied? Or do you know a method? Do you know a method? I will tell you, Dikshit, tomorrow. Multiply. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. Now, 100, you know that 100 square is 10,000. What is it? It is a 5-digit number. So any number greater than 100, if you find it square, it is going to be a 5-digit number close to 100. So 108 is close to 100. So find out what is the difference between 108 and 100. How much is the difference? Type, type, type. How much is the difference? Type, type, type. Hurry up, hurry up. 8 is the difference. It's a 5-digit number. So what you will do is you will add this difference back to 108. 108 plus 8, 116. 8 square, 64 over. Get it? Get it? Yo. All right. Tell me 107 square. 107 plus 7. 114. 7 square, 49 over. Got it? Got it? Tell me 106 square. Please be fast. 106 plus 6. 112. 6 square, 36. Got it? All right. 109 square. 109 plus 9. 118. 9 square, 81. Okay. So tomorrow when I end the class, remind me to tell you squares of those numbers which are near to 100 but less than 100, like 96 square, 97 square, 88 square, 92 square. I'll teach you that trick. Yes, this is not magic, Vechri. This is magic. 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 All right? Magic. Okay? All right, guys. Catch you tomorrow with whatever is remaining. We will fight again. You will irritate me and I will on you. But we will get there. All right? And we will make sure that we do our learnings. So this is just a process. All right. So please do revise whatever has been taught to you today as soon as possible. Okay. So have a good day. Study and work hard. Watch 12th fail if at all you haven't. Work hard in life to achieve your dreams. You would definitely get it there. All right. This is Kapil Datta signing off. Have a very, very productive day. Okay. May God bless you. Bye bye.